Express to close classrooms for the upcoming program term. Open Entry Express and select Attendance. Click Set Classroom Status for multiple classrooms and days. First, choose the appropriate classroom status. Next, select the dates classrooms will be closed with this status. Check to assign the status to applicable sites and classrooms. Enter any classroom notes here. Set classroom status. You'll receive confirmation the status was applied. Close out the rest of your holidays and teacher workdays. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.